Hello, Dr. Bechtel here, and this video lecture is going to cover the emergence of the paralegal profession. The paralegal profession emerged in the 1960s as a result of social justice needs, such as the Civil Rights Movement, which brought a glut of additional work that couldn't be handled only by the attorneys in the government agencies that were responsible for enforcement, etc. It came to be realized it was a cost-effective way to meet the demands of the social justice at the time. They called these workers legal assistants and paralegals. There we go. Private law firms also adopted the title to describe non-lawyers in the office. These were often the legal secretaries in the office. Recognizing that the paralegal does have a revenue source to the firm, private firms realize they play an important role in generating revenue. And so the term billable work that is not clerical work, was developed in the private firms to recognize that revenue generating process. And this is a nice quote from Justice Brennan: "Paralegals are capable of carrying out many tasks under the supervision of an attorney that might otherwise be performed by a lawyer." So there you have the main idea, and that's the career itself. What paralegals do, we communicate a lot with clients, we do research, both factual and legal, draft documents, and we play a very large role in case management. They work in traditional partnerships, professional corporations, limited liability partnerships, and sole proprietorships, and office sharing arrangements are also possible, where a group of lawyers that are not in business together, practice around each other, like in a multi-office suite, and share perhaps the paralegal. The other places, these are the reasons why this career is absolutely so amazing, is there are other areas besides the traditional law firm where paralegals can work. Legal departments of a business, legal departments of governmental agencies, in legal clinics, and legal services offices. Licensing is not required of paralegals. Lawyers do need to have a license. Less education is required of paralegals as opposed to lawyers, and employers will be searching for paralegals with experience or education in the field. Formal paralegal education stemmed right alongside the Civil Rights Movement. The 60s and 70s brought a lot of community colleges into America, not just because of the paralegal education needs, but it stems back to the Warren Commission. It's a historical time for community colleges in the 60s and 70s that were brought up to serve needs such as career-focused needs, including paralegal education. There are also proprietary schools where people can earn a paralegal education. Four-year colleges and universities also have programs for paralegal education. And we now have more master's degrees that have developed over the years. Like my master's degree I have from Penn West. Oh, that seems to end the show. But I hope you enjoyed this and you can understand a little bit more about the paralegal profession, and I thank you for your attention.